Luscombe Mitsubishi of Leeds is delighted to offer you this fantastic example of the legendary Mitsubishi Shogun. This is the SG3 model. It's beautifully finished in deep metallic green. And internally here you'll see the full leather interior, which the front seats are heated, and this vehicle is a full 7-seater as well, complete with features such as cruise control, automatic lights and wipers, satellite navigation, dual zone climate control, and of course full 4-wheel drive. The car also comes equipped with a large glass sunroof and a Rockford sound system for better music on the move. You can see here the rear wheel carrier, which has a full-size spare, and a tow bar here. We also have reverse parking sensors and a reverse parking camera, which is displayed on the full colour touchscreen system. If you'd like to know any more about this superb large family vehicle, please don't hesitate to contact Luscombe Mitsubishi of Leeds on 0113 277 6099.